examples. Apoptosis is controlled cell death. This also occurs prenatally in organ formation. Like the hand first develops as a paddle, and the cells between where the fingers are going to be are destroyed. That's controlled cell death. It also happens throughout life to remove neurons that aren't being used and T cells plus some plasma cells. After you've had an infection, you don't need to keep the cells around that are fighting just that infection. Autoimmunity and cancer are forms of active aging. The new function is generally not a good one. It involves attacking part of the body or overgrowing. We could also list menopause as a form of active aging, where the function of producing oocytes is no longer occurring. Lifespan refers to the theoretical longest life for a species. They estimate about 120 years for humans. I think the oldest I've heard of somebody getting was in the early 110, somewhere around there. They think much longer than that, and there's just not going to be enough function left over from passive aging. Life expectancy is the average actual lifespan. This is affected by healthcare and other living conditions. So they estimate it based on where you're born, the average life expectancy they think someone will have for that region in that year. It tends to increase with time as we get better health care, and it varies locally based on the living conditions in that area. The current U.S. life expectancy is about 76 for men, 81 for women. I thought I had a note about when there's a low average, that doesn't mean, if, like you might hear the life expectancy in the Middle Ages was like 37. That doesn't mean after 37 you're an old fart. It means that so many people are dying early on, either from diseases in infancy or young adulthood from going to war or in childbirth, that it's just throwing off the average. If you make it past all that, you could still make it to your 70s and 80s. It's just that the average is lower because there's more death among the young. And so in lab, we'll be looking at developmental stage.